In Scenario 8, we will demonstrate our powerful incident prioritization framework and how incidents are managed within ArcSight SOAR. Correct incident prioritization is absolutely key to effective triage and investigation. While various entities like analytics, risk scoring, threat intelligence, and the customer's own business model play a significant role in the correct prioritization of an incident, it is ArcSight SOAR which ultimately decides on the all-important incident priority that will drive the analyst workflow. We call this multi-dimensional prioritization. While some of these components are discussed in detail in other demos, the last two components, CMDB and SOAR, will be shown in this video. Our correlation engine incorporates a mature, threat-level modeling calculator that tags each event in real time. ArcSight Intelligence leverages statistical modeling to provide risk scores to entities. 360 Analytics, on the other hand, builds a third, even richer source of prioritization, whilst ArcSight Threat Intelligence further contributes to valuable live threat scoring. Last but not least, our customer's own business model is arguably the most important of these, as it allows for the business risk to drive cyber decisions. Finally, ArcSight SOAR blends all of this information to provide the perspective of what matters to me. Let's now see how this all comes together in ArcSight SOAR. Playbooks, playbooks, playbooks. They are the hidden actors that play a vital role in determining an incident's ultimate priority. ArcSight SOAR includes many standard playbook templates out of the box. Each playbook can incorporate many decision tree factors. For example, VIP users not being able to log in after 6 p.m. may be a critical business policy. Any violations should trigger a high priority incident for immediate attention. The visual nature of the workflow playbook editor allows the analyst to focus on the task at hand, without having to be an ArcSight rocket scientist. Now, we leverage ArcSight SOAR's broad integration capability with a CMDB to match against VIP users. It's rare that business policies are this simple. Admins, for example, may fall under the same policy as VIPs, and in that case, we can chain these two decisions back to back for a single playbook to do both tasks. Finally, we see how straightforward it is for the analyst to update, reopen, escalate, add comments, and ultimately to close the case. In high maturity organizations, business policies most likely will dictate different incident priorities than the default ones. We provide two methods to do such overrides. The first option is by using ArcSight SOAR to change the default severity mappings. ArcSight SOAR has the notion of severities, types, and labels. These three entities play a role in determining an incident's priority, thus its SLA requirements. Here, we can change the default mapping between our real-time correlation engine's alert severity to the SOAR incident or case severity. The second option is to change the severity at the time of the real-time correlation alert being fired. This is done through the Rules Action tab, as seen here.